Hi, Mike and Maria Keiser here. You know, a lot of people say that in the months of November and December, business kind of slows down.
Takes a break.
Right, can't get anything done, everyone's away. Wrong. We're here to prove to you that regardless of the month, we're never going to stop bringing you the things that are going to grow your business, because in this month of November, we have 3 amazing workshops that we would like to tell you about that we're putting on. Sorry, you'll have to travel to Connecticut, but I promise it'll be well worth it. So why don't you tell them the 3 things we have going on this month?
Well, on November 14th, we have the Business Collaborative. And then on November 20th, we're doing a marketing workshop. And then the week of the 26th, we're going to do a marketing workshop specifically for video marketing. So click on the Our Events page or click on the link below to find out more.
There you go. We hope to see you.
Bye.